Good morning, folks. This is Christopher again from forexstocks.com. We had a fantastic day yesterday. We marked some levels to look at, and all these levels got filled nicely. Now, we looked at the cable. Although we were expecting the cable to go to the downside, we didn't trade the cable yesterday, unfortunately. Let's have a look at the daily hourly chart on the cable today. It looks like we're gonna have an update today by the cable. Looking at the charts, we formed peak formation low here, and let's have a look at the 15-minute chart. Now I'm expecting some pullbacks towards these levels, and here we have a level of resistance on the 15-minute chart. We've got a level of resistance here, which is the 50-day 50% pullback, and the 20-day 50% on the chart. Now, these levels are used. The way I trade them is I look at that, and we're looking at an uptrend today. This is a one push, second push, and third push towards these levels. So if you can see, if you see those setups, guys. Now today what I'm expecting is, this is the accumulation channel on the agent accumulation channel, because we have that cross. So there is always a possibility, I would say possibility, of the market testing the 200 EMA on the 15-minute chart. Now ideally what I would like to see is a push, one here, second there, third one here, double bottom here, and continuation. This is ideally. Now this is what we call a push, all push, one go on the higher time frame. Now looking at this, like I said, I'm expecting, I like to see, let's use our famous tool to let us know what's happening. We put Fibonacci from yesterday to here, so we have levels of support here and there. So ideally, like I said, guys, ideally I would like to see something like this here and buying it. Now let's see the hourly chart again on the pound dollar. We have M formation here, peak. So we're going down, 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 away from, this is away from peak. That's a false move. So we should see the market rising today again on this, unless this is only a reset, unless that could be a reset for all this move to the downside. But I expect the threshold here, the 50, and the market to go to this level here again and form. If it breaks those levels here again, then all good. But looking at this, so we have an opportunity to go short here, and we go long around here somewhere to these levels. So there's good opportunities in the pound dollar today. Keep an eye on it. Okay, so let's have a look at the euro. Euro yesterday was fantastic. I've marked the charts with Fibonacci levels from yesterday, and I kept them on because I want to show you something good, guys. There is the push to the upside. I did say in my video, I'm expecting a push. We went long here, and unfortunately I got stopped out at break even. Then we went long here again at these levels, 66%. I use 66%, and that's what the threshold levels for me. This is the threshold indicator, what it does for me on the higher time frames, and I do it manually in the small time frame. That's it. This is the levels I'm looking at. So we had formation here. If we look at the 15-minute chart, so if we take it long again, it will be a great day for us. There you go. Look, they just, what the market maker does, they do the tricks again, and they give you, the people think, oh, this is double top in New York, this is New York session, you know, this is London here, and this is New York, no trading zone, and this is London, no trading zone. So after here you see this engulfing and you wait, you see this pin bar, you take it long with a stop loss here and you boom shift the market straight away in 45 minutes. You make your money and say kiss the market goodbye. Now this was a fantastic trade for me yesterday, and went long here and took to the 70 odd pips on the euro dollar. Fantastic day. I had over 150 pips yesterday. So let's have a look at the, we said we're not going to trade the Aussie for anymore. Let me just open the Aussie chart and show you what trade yesterday we did. And one of you guys were long with me on the Aussie yesterday, and ideally the trade on the Aussie is, we should have been long. This is the first signal to go long, and that's the second one. Ideally, you know, or if you missed it both, you see the opportunity here again after New York. This is the no trade zone in New York, so you stop. You see, I mean I mark these levels, guys, for a reason, because these small blue zones here are no trading zone. So I mark those levels for a reason, and then after this pink candle you can go along here and then you make your money if you miss those trades here. But the Aussie was fantastic yesterday. We said we want to take 50 pips profit, and surely we have our 50 pips profit from it. So we were long, I was long around here somewhere, and I've put my stop outside the range, and we've got, it moved 89 pips, 80 pips to our favor, which is fantastic trade. And that's how it goes, you know, when you make trades like this, that the market be nice. I know sometimes you hear me taking small trades, bits and bops, with 5, 7, 8 pips stop, but that's how the market works. When it's kind to its kind. Now the euro yen, look at that, beautiful. We did say about the euro yen short, but unfortunately it did not give us a short opportunity on the euro yen. I took short here and I took 60 pips out of it. Now this is the New York London non-trade zone, and this is the New York non-trade zone. Look at the market, comes down, you see they go up and then they show you a pin here, people go short there, and then surely they start shorting again here, and then look at all these bearish engulfing candles, and they have a train track here. This is where you go along after New York, and then you kiss the market goodbye. Nice profit. Alright, so now this level has been broken, so we're looking at, I'm sure the indicator will change this for me if I just swap the time frame. You see, looking at the hourly chart, it tells you here, alert, the price is on the 20-day threshold level. So we have our trade. We said this is a short. Why we said short here? Potentially we have one push, second push, third push towards this level, and the short pays money, you know, counter trend. I know the trend is up, and then after the New York session comes, boom, you take the trade long, you take it short London, and then New York you take it long. You see the induced people, and then the cross here. Now this could be a reset for the new, up, but I won't not trade this today because I want to see where is it going. Now this is, they broke this level here to induce buyers probably. I don't know now, it's not clear until it will be more clear to me tomorrow to trade this matter, to trade this pair. If it forms peak here and this is just buy trap, then we start shorting here again and again and again. And that's how it works, guys. You have to be patient with the pairs. You don't have to jump on them all the time. Just be patient. Now the dollar yen is looking good. Dollar yen is, let's have a look first at the hourly chart. First things first, I look at the hourly chart, see where we are. We've got a reset here. This is one reset of the cycle. You know, this is a reset here. So we've got peak formation low, one push, second push. Now this could be a continuation here now. So any drop to this level here, W formation after London, we will start buying, guys. And that's how things goes. You know, to show you examples of the market structure, weekly structure, daily structure, and the monthly structure of the market maker cycles. And you just need to learn how to spot them. I have a few tips for you on the webinars today, and just see how we get on. And at the end of the day, this is how you're gonna be. That's if you want to become a trader, you need to be patient, and you need to learn all the market maker tricks and see how they push the markets, and see the only way for you guys to make money is to be on the market maker side. You can't be on the retail side to make money. It's impossible. And we can't beat the market maker. We have to be on his side to make money. Okay? Anyway guys, I'll catch up with you in a bit in the webinar, and I'll speak to you shortly. Take care for now, and bye.